How to use Kortext accessibility features. At Kortext, we understand there's no one-size-fits-all approach to learning, and that's why we're always working to develop tools that make course reading accessible to every learner. In this video, we're going to show you how to use our accessibility tools, including display options, read aloud, alt text, navigational tagging, transcripts, language selection, offline reading, keyboard shortcuts, and screen reader compatibility. Our customizable display options are found inside the Kortext e-reader by selecting the letter icon in the top right of the page. From here you'll be able to adjust a range of display options depending on the format of your book, including font style and size, page style, page width, and more. The Kortext e-reader is also where you can find our Read Aloud feature. Click and drag the cursor to select text. From the pop-up menu that appears, click Read Aloud, where you can adjust the reading speed and narrator voice from the menu. We put the most widely used screen readers to the test, and Kortext is fully compatible with all leading screen reader software.
Go to next page.
With navigational tagging for traveling around the platform, and alt text for images, where it's been provided by our publisher partners.
A photo shows two tortoise beetles feeding on a plant.
Kortext is also proud to support international and bilingual students with multiple language options. To choose a different language for the Kortext interface, click the Account tab from the bookshelf and select a language from our list, or change the language from inside the e-reader using the Display Options menu. For video resources on Kortext, we are also able to offer video transcripts. If a transcript is not readily available from the publisher, get in touch with our support team by email or by filling out a form on our support website. If you're using our Kortext mobile and desktop apps, you can download your course reading to your device for access offline, so you can access wherever you are, anytime and any place. To download a book, make sure you're connected to the internet. Then click on your book in the bookshelf, or click the down arrow in the bookshelf. When the confirmation message appears, click Download. Kortext Study is also usable for those who prefer to use the keyboard to navigate around the platform. Click the Tab button on your keyboard to move your selection around the screen. The selected area is shown by a purple border. To confirm your selection, click the Enter key and use the arrow key to move through the bookshelf or on-screen menus. For more information on how to use our accessibility features, including a full list of keyboard shortcut controls, please refer to the accessibility guide on our resource site or get in contact with the Kortext team.